MJ, what are you doing? Are you washing your car?
Yes.
Nice.
But what more?
I'll open for you. Came daar binne was, né? Anyways, cute. Okay guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm going to take you through what I've done on the carpeting. To be honest, it was a mission. So I got hold of an old friend of mine and he's got his auto trimming business. So I thought it would be quite easy. So in the beginning stuff went well and yeah, he started with the work, and then when we had to get to the more detailed stuff, he basically disappeared. So it's been around 6 months and I lost my humor and I took all my stuff and I decided to just finish everything myself. So on the carpet side, he has done most of the work, and yeah, the guy that did it was quite a good act, but he's unfortunately told what to do. So yeah, in this video I'm going to show you what they've done with the carpet and where we got to. Hopefully in the next video I'll take you through the headlining, and that part I'm going to do myself. Just enjoy the video and let me know what you guys think afterwards.
Roofs.
Roofs! Say I like the fenders.
I like the tender. Do what? Somebody op die neem.
Okay guys, so we're basically busy with the inside. This is the back side, and then we're going to go through to the front.
So tough.
So soft. As you can see, we started with the carpet at the back, and it's, to be honest, it's really looking great. So can't wait to get everything back. But I'm basically prepping. I've removed the bracket for the seats now on this side, and yeah, so I'm prepping everything here to be ready to get carpets basically. So I've removed the covers of the seat belts, probably removed the seat belts fully, and then we need to build something here to get it hard, because I want to take carpets right through. So basically I'm going to put some branding or something in here, screw it to the bottom, or extend the bolts on this side to pull it tight, and then the carpet can go over without this funny, that funny angle on that side. Basically I've spent the weekend prepping the front side. I just have to do the carpet. I put some branding here just to get a smooth finish on the carpet so it doesn't have a funny knock. So that's just tied down with a self-screwing tap, and I fold holes with some silicone just to make sure it's nice and sorted. Adding proper automotive felt in the car, and yeah, this will be covered everywhere. As you can hear, basically it sounds totally different. MJ, kyk vir papa. We've done the carpets here. They still need to cut this open so that you can get access to the service panel. Yeah, the back's done, the middle section's done. We've got nice thick felt here. That's going to be done. This is going to be done, finished off, and they've pulled basically the old gearbox carpet, the carpet that comes underneath here, and that's going to be redone with their carpet. So it's just to show you how everything's being finished off. They did quite a nice job with the access panels to the batteries, etc. And then basically the centerpiece still needs to be cut so that you can get to the gearbox tunnel. So just finishing the last bit off. Basically busy adding the carpeting around the gearbox channel. So yeah, just to show everyone, quite a nice look towards it. I'm gonna cover up everything there, and yeah, where you need to get to the service point. So still need to do the floors, and yeah, but definitely getting there. So as you can see, all the carpeting is done. It actually looks very nice. And very difficult to show you on the phone, because it just, the dark colors just doesn't look as nice on the phone. But I'm busy putting all the brackets in, making ready to put the seats back. Yeah, also finished adding USB quick charging to the front of the rear footwell. Putting my front seat back, and I just wanted to show you, if you want to be able to pull the seat back more, if you're a tall oak and just need that extra leg room, then all you need to do is spaced this up with a few spaces, a longer bolt and space. So if you can see, I did it on the back here, and basically that chair can go all the way back now without any worries. So yeah, so as you can see, I've got a few washers. I painted them black to match the carpet on the outside, just hanging them by a wire. And yeah, this is what I'm going to use for the seats. The floor's done, the seats are done, the back seats are in, looking good, and I'm busy with the seat belts. So if you don't know, the seat belts, basically when you've got them off, you can't really, they don't release basically. So what you need to do is make sure you have them nice, flat and vertical. And once you've got them vertical, they'll release instantly and you can pull up straight. Just make sure you go vertically up with the belt and it works 100%. So yeah, just if you don't know. Okay guys, so basically I've added a stainless steel sill here at the back, and shit, it looks brilliant. Very nice, very excited about it. So yeah, shout out to Benjani Customs for this product. Links in the description if you guys are interested. And yeah, so just a tip, this rear seal here, it collapses quite easily. So if you take some of these, just let me get some, hold on. Okay, so if you get some of this high dense foam strips and just push it in from the side all the way halfway, and from that side halfway, it actually keeps it compressed and it doesn't collapse. So it just adds to the sealing. So as you see, I need a new rear door seal, and then I'll hopefully close the sides there. But for now, this is looking good. I've also done the sides here. You can see same company details in the description if you're interested. And yeah, shout out to Chris and the team who makes this product very high quality. Let's start at the front. If we look at what we've done, we've recarpeted everything around the gearbox channel, around up to the bottom there, and the front of the seats, around the seat box, underneath. Added stainless steel sills on all the doors, and just to give you an idea what the finishing was on the covers. Yeah, so that gives you a good idea on the front. At the back we've done the same. So this is just a carpet I'm busy making with insertion rubber at the bottom. So if we start at that side, all around I've done carpets with proper automotive felt at the bottom, stainless steel door sill, and definitely underneath with my speaker box there. I'd like to build a bigger speaker box. Nice thing I've done is I've brought a carpet all the way up to here, just to give it that smooth look that you get in the more luxurious vehicles. So yeah, if we go to the back, as you can see, I've added the stainless steel door sill at the back as well. You won't believe how much of a difference this makes. Another carpet I've made with some roof lining and incision rubber just to cover the carpet, but basically I ended up doing the whole vehicle. Okay guys, so that's where I ended up with the carpets, and yeah, to be honest, it made such a big difference. It just feels more classy. The stainless steel sills, everything just feels better and looks better. It even sounds better. So the acoustic levels in the vehicle is definitely better. And in the next video I'll finish the Alcantara headlining and I'll take you for a drive so that you can see the end result. So yeah, please stay tuned. As you can see, I'm busy dyeing all my Melvin and Moon seat covers black. They were all pale, and I mean, they're almost next year they're 10 years old. That will just add to the look of my vehicle. Yeah, hopefully in the end I get enough money to go to proper bucket seats or something, but otherwise I'm quite happy with the look and the feel of the vehicle up to now. So let's get a headlining done and take you for a drive. Thanks guys, enjoy.